Do you know the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 2 containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 28 feet in meter 8.53 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter. So in the front we have 2 steps here. After that we will go inside. So we have outdoor sitting area here. You can see here the sofa arrangement, and after that we have a sliding door here. On the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a large size glass panel for light purpose also. On the left side we have attached washroom plus water closet here with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go on the right side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side we have kitchen cum living area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the right side we have sofa arrangement, and we have a TV unit on the front wall. After that we will go on the right side. So we have a bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and a large size glass panel for light and ventilation purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.